70, 40. Like there's no in
Sorry.
here. Got 102.
Tayo, while on duty.
Now where is it? It's not there. Her leg is swollen. It will not show on the red cup at all. Two buttons. This is third time I'm trying both legs. Here it's not showing that one. That red one looks good. Actually it's swollen compared to before. Her thighs is swollen.
Hello. Big up shout out. So one viewers in the house. Big up shout out. Thank you sa patamsak. Hi. Oh. Wow. Oh my God. You're looking for a wife. Sorry. I'm not available. Mag-live ako sa YouTube para hindi ako tukin. Kain ka na.
Take look time. Ganun.
Tiklop tayo. Tingnan mo, ang dami kong viewers, 20.
Tiklop.
Sabi niya. Naghanap daw siya ng asawa. May guard. Hi, 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 everyone. Steak coffee.
Kunin ko nga yung tinap. Pagkape ako sa bunod.
Gusto mo tinapay? Tinapay ako dyan.
Hindi, meron yung
Ah, yung cake. Hello, hello everyone. The currency, what do you think? From where I am?
Today Saturday.
Okay. Your imagination. Oh my God. You have to sleep. No, I'm not from Taiwan. I'm from Philippines, but I'm living here in Dubai. I'm here in Dubai. Philippines, yes. Yes, you're right. I'm here in Dubai.
It's too far, yeah.
Then Ajmer also need to go Sharjah, then Ajmer.
It's fine. It's 1.5 hours. In Travancore.
Yes, I'm here in Dubai right now. I'm working in the hospital.
Living near Alberta or something. Actually, for me, science got
Thank you for your subscribe. I'll subscribe you back when I'm done with my live. No, not daily. Just when I want to do live. Cornelia Estrachan. Thank you for subscription. Yeah, I will try. I'm free.
Position down, everything down, literally. Patient rights also is deteriorating. Patient is not. Now I listen 6 to 1. Huh? Fading down? I knew actually, I just did it like that. I was checking it. Only the problem. She asked one by one. We make the oxygen injection and then she will ask activity once again. We will come here and we will give people who say and then she will ask.
Yeah, my family is here in Dubai with one kid, and the other is in Philippines, one. Oh, from Jamaica. My first baby in Philippines is in college. And I have 2-year-old here. What about you, the currency? You are married or single?
She's taking nowadays she's taking the empty also, see? Before giving.
She don't know where is written on Google Code. When she's checking like this, this is this. So this is
Now she's taking the That's why last time she's asking me.
Sorry, but I cannot guess. You don't have even photos. How can I guess?
But the good is that because this is both together, total you're getting 7 actually. I will not be going to have to stop. That's what I told her. This one.
We also don't know. Today I'm taking first and fourth out. Then I used to find I given 5 mg. Then I went inside. Then she said, "Why is this 5? How much you doing like this?" She asked me.
Oh.
I know. What I'm doing is 5. Then I am doing 5. Go and take 2 more.
So you're single. We're looking for a girlfriend or wife.
That's a good one. No, these three. Only 2. No, tell her only 2.
Then she will go and take 1 more.
No, tell her 1. All that says 2. That's it. God, she's manipulative. She thinks we're stupid. But we're very smart. I swear there is no other
He's here with
We
us.
like it, we don't mind. Like compared to we don't mind handling everything, you know? This patient would not be
So, you're looking for Filipina. You go Philippines. So many is there. I need to do hard work because I have family already. You know?
She would not allow you to never camera. Look, 10 times for the photos, but never one camera. Not even that, blood she would not allow.
And she said PCA. And she's arguing.
Of course I
I
have.
will not give the PCA and this thing together.
How can I live here in Dubai with kids if I'm alone?
Why is this primary? This many times I am receiving. No problem, and all nurses are giving. Only you are not giving.
Same. He's working also here in the hospital.
Doctors are went inside and explaining the things. And what doctor did? Dr. Harsh, stop the multivitamins. Disconnect. He told. Mother inside the room. She's waiting for the order. The place in the system.
She thinks that all doctors are free.
Please continue the
And that's Dr.
multivitamin.
Harsh.
Multivitamin. Okay? He is in pain. He is not taking the optional medicine. He is in pain. He's asking, from my job with the
Oh, give her nice thing.
40.
then I don't understand.
I am 40 years
I
old.
went there and I disconnected this thing. My baby and started the business.
That's what you get when you bring veggie. I will have
You can find a lot. You have social media, no?
I will email to Turkey.
Hmm.
No, don't.
Good.
Okay, that's good for us as well. That's good for our mental health.
That's why for like our long-term oncology patient, don't eat this much.
But then sometimes, we have too many and yeah.
Some nurses are okay, dear. Like this, oh my God. No problem. We follow.
MashaAllah.
Somebody else is handling.
Oh, yeah.
If you don't have bad habit, so
Nobody can manage.
popular, you can fight with girl also.
Do you just want to watch?
because of this view, he don't know anything.
She's trying.
She don't know six to floor also. She don't know six to seven.
Really?
Then first I asked her, our Lucia, first they were planning to put it in different departments. That time I asked her, I was here in 6 months. Then you will put here 2 here. Then she said, no, you have certificate experience, so you need to do that here. Then accepted in my mind, I go there.
Yeah.
Then
No, I'm not.
my name is
I'm Christian. I'm Filipina.
After that, she said she can't do, she will go from here. She don't want sixth floor.
Because she's actually shouting at the patients right now.
Then you see a thing and asking, you only then I said, sixth floor. Because
Yeah,
I asked the person.
I learned from here.
She didn't have any people. Then why you didn't I go? Why you want to actually
Because Dubai is Arabic country, no? So I can learn.
Where is she sitting with
Yes. 2.
But then someone said that
After that, she will be feeling
it's not up to them.
she's before working in Europe. I don't know personally, but it's in my seniors in Europe hospital.
Hello, make a love shout out.
Hospital.
So 4,000 viewers in my house. Yes, it is too little.
Yeah, 3 over here, even 3.
Of course I have. I have WhatsApp.
I don't know why if you're doing 20, why would it be fixed somewhere? I don't understand.
How come? So you are fake because your photo is fake also. No, I'm not talking with WhatsApp.
Yeah, that's our thing.
traffic I went one day. Some patients are influenced.
WhatsApp is only for work.
Other one is there section.
I'm not entertaining people in WhatsApp.
Same only, yeah?
I don't go back and
I don't know. I don't know. That's no problem.
Yes, hello, good morning, Sister North.
Hello?
Yes?
Yes, the 622 is supposed to be on the SPO2 probe.
Oh,
then I told I don't know.
okay. Okay.
And 610 disconnected from the SPO2.
610?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll check.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Few patients would use how the patient will enter patient.
So make a social media account. It's easy to create nowadays. 610 and 622.
Lucy, name is familiar. Which one? Yes, that oncology patient. Yes, 4 5, yes. Very thin Arabic husband, black hair. Yeah, I know her. I know her. She's always too much talking.
I can disturb Baba this time. 622. Gina. Baba is awake in 622?
I think he is not sleeping. He is in the phone.
Mm. I'll check the saturation. SPO2, it's not connected. I need you. Sometimes I'm not feeling well. No, it is allergic rhinitis. Here it's 2 o'clock in the morning. What about there in India? Gina, I can disturb them. It's all dark now. Yeah.
For the telemetry, right?
SPO2 only.
Yeah, we can. SPO2.
Yeah.
Saturation problem, nothing. How much is the heart rate? 114.
2, where is it?
It's fine.
That's okay. 110 also. No SPO2. I'm working. Toto is okay now. I told you 2 o'clock in the morning.
We are going to
Eat. Go.
maybe my patient will be 619 and 619 will call.
Mm. I call you?
Emergency.
Mm.
619 may be the medication.
Mm.
If you want, 611,
Gina, you will not eat? Go. Ah, but Ahmad is not here. Mm. Oh, 3:30 a.m. Only 1 hour. 1 and a half. I connect the SPO to 610 but it's still not reading. But it's not allowed to share my number.